of business owners that are struggling in their business. What I can tell you is you have to pivot. You have to think of something that you can do to bring in extra money. For example, all right, if you are a coach, okay, a business coach, do you offer training classes? Do you offer in-person sessions, workshops, anything, okay, on what the skill is that you provide to that client? All right, that's a way to pivot, to bring in extra money. All right, tax preparation. All right, in tax preparation, I can pivot and start offering more services like sales tax preparation, okay, business tax preparation. Now, Tennessee has a business tax. Different states have different things. But if you put yourself out there, you're going to get those phone calls from the people who are in those areas, okay? Texas has a franchise tax. Tennessee has a franchise tax, okay? There's different things you can do to pivot to bring in that extra income, all right? Look into offering other services that you can combine with your tax preparation, like bookkeeping, okay, tax planning. All of those different services are extra income to bring in. If you have a cleaning business, all right, you can hire other people to help you in your business and train them. Offer training packages, mentorship packages, all right, any different things to bring in money into your business, because the number one goal is to get money. If you're not making any money, if you're not moving the needle up, then you need to try something different. Don't give up on what you're doing, but you need to add to your existing job or existing whatever you have going on so that you can increase that revenue. And then make your decision on to keep on moving the needle to what is not bringing you the money, or move on to the thing that is bringing you the most money.